Yeah, good morning. That's right, and welcome to the new vlog from Madrid. I'm here with my two friends. I don't know if you can see them completely. Today is Friday, finally, and it's so nice when you know that you have something to finish and then you have some time to rest. Enjoy this vlog with me. Finished work, so now the weekend starts. Back home for lunch, and today on the menu we have the chicken with mushrooms and cream that I made in my previous video, as well as the salad and bread. Anyways, I think I will just eat and go out because even though it's a bit cloudy today and it might rain, the summer sale has started, so I wanted to go to Zara and some other shops to check if there are some things, because also so many brands are from Spain, so the sales are basically sales here, like it's very cheap comparing to other countries where I've been so far during sales. So basically it's worth it to buy here if you want to buy from these shops. It's gonna be probably very crowded because also it's Friday evening, night. I think it started even 2 days ago, so let's see how many things are left. The thing is, I really don't need anything specifically, maybe just shoes like loafers, but I'm not sure if I can find that. I've seen on Zara website that they have in some shops, but that was yesterday morning, so I didn't check today. If I find some very beautiful dress or something for summer, I would take it if it's a reasonable price, especially because I'm moving out of Madrid in less than 2 months, so I don't really feel like carrying 8,000 things. Work was also fine, even though these previous few days I've been working a bit more because I'm finishing up this video that I told you I'm doing for them. And I guess then after that, I don't know what is my task gonna be. Probably gonna do some more modeling and trying out some renders and stuff like that. So far I did that besides the video. I just want to improve myself in doing this kind of stuff for interior design and for smaller scale projects. Other updates, I still didn't find a job, if anyone was wondering. I mean, it sounds like I'm not trying, or maybe I'm just searching for wrong things. Like I'm searching for a job in interior design, but meanwhile I think actually what I like the most are these videos and editing and stuff like that, so maybe I should just redirect. I don't know. It's just sometimes I want one thing and sometimes I want other things, so I don't know. It doesn't have to be one thing forever. I talked a lot, but these are just some random thoughts and everyday updates. Well, I'm ready with papaya on my leg, not letting me to go. So actually I took a nap after I ate a bit less than 1 hour and showered, washed my hair. So now I'm fully ready to go. It literally started raining, so I guess it's time to go home. Well, good morning guys, it's Saturday and I just wanted to show you the things that I bought yesterday. Some things I already showed you while I was buying it, and it's 4 things, so there's not a lot of stuff. But the most important thing is these shoes that I went to find actually. So the other 2 things that I bought are just because I like them, but this was a necessity for the upcoming autumn, or even I can wear them in spring, I think, when it rains or it's a bit colder. They are full leather, just not the bottom part. So I went to one shop and then they didn't have, and I went to another shop and I found, so I'm happy I found my size. And I also feel that this golden detail is not so bright golden, so I can also wear it with silver jewelry and stuff, so I think it's fine. Then I got another shoes that you also saw, but I fell in love with them as soon as I saw them. They are adorable. with this ribbon that it's soft, and then like the small heel, which means that I can walk in them a bit more. I think I can even wear them on some pants as well as shirts and dresses. And the one basic thing that I bought that I also felt like I need in this color is this shirt. It's a bit cropped, but also when you wear it, it's like normal size, because usually the normal sized shirts I have to tuck in my pants, and I just don't like them too long, and I'm starting to like more navy blue things, so that's why I wanted to buy it. So yeah, the last thing that I bought was actually a concealer, and I found this Essence concealer. I honestly didn't buy concealers and makeup stuff in a very long time, because whenever it's my birthday or some Christmas or whatever, I get some things that I need. Usually I tell or my friends or my family that I need something, so they buy me this. So I went to the store and I didn't know which one is good, which one is not. So I started trying some of them, and this one bought me when I put it over my tattoo and it completely covered it. It's literally called Camouflage Matte Concealer. And also another thing that I wanted to show you is that I found these glasses, like I literally found them. They are some brand Vildgo Haring. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. This is the color that I really wanted for a long time. I just didn't find the shape that I liked, so I literally found them on the floor, and I was like, okay, I mean, around me there was no one looking for glasses, so I was like, okay, you're coming home with me. So now I have new glasses, and I really stayed long yesterday. I didn't expect to stay like until 10 p.m. but also there were so many people that even if you want to check out something, like there is 8,000 people around you grabbing the same exact thing. But that's it. I'm happy that I found the shoes that I was looking for. It's gonna be a bit chaotic in the next 7 days, so that's why also today I want to take it a bit more chill. Write me what you like the most out of this mini haul. I guess this is my favorite thing, even though I'm probably gonna wear it less than the other two, but they are so adorable. Yay. Yeah, I decided to go to the cinema and watch a movie that I wanted to watch now for like a week or something, to just go and see it, but I didn't have time. So today I finally decided to do it, and it's drama. It's called Memory, and the actress won the award of Best Actress in last year's Biennale, the film festival in Venice. It's a very good drama. It's a bit like heavy to watch, but honestly, if you like these kind of movies, I recommend that you watch it. Monday. I'm so tired. I finished work, but I think that I'm gonna go take a nap before meeting my friends because they are already in the city. But we slept a bit later yesterday, so I need to rest. I just came home and I just wanted to tell you how amazing this food was that we had tonight. One of my friends is vegan, another one is vegetarian. I eat everything. This Honest Greens has option for everybody literally, and I don't know if it's only here in Madrid. I will try to find it also in other cities, in other places when I go, because the food is so affordable really, and the amount of food you get is amazing, and on top of all of that it's so tasty. So yeah, this is a big recommendation. After that we went to the rooftop bar, and then later they continued to the club, and I can't because I'm working tomorrow. I mean I could, but then I'm gonna be dead tomorrow. I'm getting older, and also the clubs are kind of not my vibe anymore, or maybe I'm going to the wrong clubs. It's been 4 days since I'm vlogging, so you enjoyed a lot of different points of my long weekend. Yeah, I had nice time with them, and it's very nice to be again with them in Madrid because we actually met here. We were roommates here. We wanted to just make a little gathering again in the city where we met, so it was really nice. And also they know some places where I didn't go with them at that time, so now we try different stuff, like for example this food, and went to some other places where we've been before. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Ciao.